What's up, guys? It's your boy E, and I am back again with another video. Today we have the blue 5mm Moissanite bracelet from Icegiant. I'm really looking forward to this piece. So with that being said, Bob, do your thing, Bob. All right, guys, so we are back in, and like I said, we got the 5mm Moissanite tennis bracelet from Icegiant, and let us get this open. My unboxing knife has been on vacation lately because I have been getting a lot of these black bags. Pause. Actually, I don't even know why that's a pause, but it just sounded like a right time to say a pause. Yeah, it is kind of pausable when you think about it. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that.
Okay.
And let us get this open. And here we go. We have the nice Icegiant black box. We have the Icegiant logo on the side right here. And let's get this open. And here we go. A nice thank you for your purchase. First thing we are greeted with is GRA certificate, which is going to show you the authenticity of your stones. Always nice to have. And next we are greeted with the Icegiant little black shopping bag that you can put anything you'd like in here. Maybe a pickle. I'm just gonna stop there. I don't know why I just say, you know what, strike that from the record. You can put a candy bar in here. Actually, yeah, I guess you could. All right, I'm done. Never mind. Just forget the bag thing. Finally! Let's get the box out of the way, and here we go. One thing about the jewelry business, guys, or we're shopping with jewelry, you're never at a shortage of boxes. Like, I feel like you got a box within a box within a box within a box. So if you're like me and you review jewelry full time, my house has so many boxes in it. It is crazy. It's kind of creepy. There's like 461 boxes in my house, but at least they're organized and I keep them clean. All right, so let's get this open, guys. And we agree with the microfiber cleaning cloth right here. And here it is, the piece de resistance. This is the 5mm tennis bracelet. I believe this is an 8.5. Let us get this out. I am not sure if this is actually a 5mm, guys. This looks like a 3mm. Let me see. No, this is a 5. Wow. At first I thought this was a 3, guys, but this is a 5. So I guess at the end of the day, we measured first, but I don't know. I guess my eye was off today, but let's keep measuring. This is a 5.35, 5 exactly, 5.05, 5.15. So this is over 5mm. We went a little untraditional there with the measure, but guys, wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Actually, let me get the fancy gloves on over here. And let us check this bracelet out. But again, beautiful, beautiful piece from Icegiant. These stones are amazing because they're just this nice baby blue. It has that little turquoise or green hue in there as well. This thing is shining. I mean, you can tell when looking at it that these are super high quality stones. Definitely a very, very nice piece. Having a nice 5mm bracelet like this, you know, it's a nice little everyday wear, beautiful piece. The diamond tester is now ready. So let's hit this really quick. Right away, boom, right away, boom, right away. I mean, guys, these stones are hitting perfect. Just goes to show, again, just super high quality piece. Love to see that. I love when I don't have to play around with this thing. Pause.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just get it to hit right away. You can tell that you have a super high quality stone when that happens. So love to see that. Let's get it on the scale real quick. Again, you know, for me, I don't really care about weighing tennis chains or tennis bracelets. Like I always say, it's just all stones. But at the end of the day, you do want to know what you're wearing on your wrist or your neck. So let's throw it on here a quick second and see where we're at. And 20.3 grams. So super lightweight, super nice. I am going to throw this on wrist really quick. So you guys take a break and I will be right back. All right, guys, and we are back. This is the 5mm bracelet on wrist, and this thing is beautiful. Definitely a beautiful bracelet right here. Super comfortable, super malleable, which I like. You know, it just kind of flows. One thing I don't like when you're rocking a bracelet is when you have that stiffness there. It's just not comfortable. You know, it's kind of poking you on your wrists and stuff like this. This bracelet's super malleable, super nice. You know, in a lot of tennis bracelets, you will get that stiffness from the way that it's set. You don't have that here, so definitely a beautiful piece. Nothing left but to do it. So time to rate the 5mm blue moissanite tennis bracelet from Icegiant. 8.6. So congratulations to Icegiant again. Beautiful piece. Definitely a company that, you know, is doing the right thing by their customers. Can't say it's one of my favorite companies yet because these are the first couple pieces that I've gotten from them. So in the future, as I get some more pieces, you know, I can make a better judgment as far as it goes from there. But so far, I love what I see. Definitely good quality, definitely good customer service. With that being said, guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have shopped with Icegiant before. You know, would you get something from Icegiant? You know, is it a company that you've passed on? Is it a company that you love? Let me know what's up down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. And with that, this has been your boy E, and I am out. Peace.